Hi guys, and happy Friday. This is our math lesson for Friday the 17th, and we are going to continue with counting coins today, but we are going to be doing a little bit of a quiz today. It won't be a graded quiz, but it will be a way to check in with yourself and see how you're doing with counting coins. So before we begin, I want you to pause this video and take a moment to either get out a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, or a piece of paper and a pencil. Whatever you have around the house works, but you're just gonna need room to solve the problems today. So you can pause this video right now, go and gather your materials, and then press play when you have them ready. All right, now that you have your materials, we're gonna get started with our warm-up. So our warm-up today is similar to the one yesterday, but it's the other half of the problem. So let me get this stuff out of your way, and you can go ahead and get started on it. All right, take a moment and I want you to count the value of the coins on the screen and write your answer on your whiteboard or your piece of paper. All right, if you need more time, you can press pause to give yourself some more time, but let's go ahead and go over your answer. I notice on the screen that we have 1/4, and I know that 1/4 is worth 25 cents. So let me get my piece of paper out so we can make sure that we're being nice and neat with our answers. All right, so if we have 1/4, that is equal to 25 cents, okay? Then we're going to add in not 1 dime, but 3 dimes. So I'm gonna draw my 3 dimes beside here, and we're going to be counting using skip counting. So if I go 25 cents and add 10 more, I get 35, plus 10 more is 45, plus 10 more is 55. So far I have 55 cents worth of coins in front of me, but we haven't added our pennies yet. 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. That equals 4 cents. So let's do that counting together. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 cents. So our total value of coins on the screen is 59 cents. Check your answer. If you didn't get it right, maybe backtrack, look at the screen and see where you could have gone wrong. All right, so now what I'd like for you to do is on your sheet of paper, please go ahead and label number 1, number 2, and number 3. We're going to be solving 3 problems today. You're gonna be doing it on your own, and then we'll be checking it together using this cool little website I found. So go ahead and label your paper 1, 2, and 3, and give yourself room to write your answers. All right, let's get started. So for number 1, please go ahead and count the value of the coins on the screen and write your answer beside number 1 on your paper or your whiteboard. If you need more time, you can always press pause and then continue your problem and then press play when you're ready to continue. All right, for number 2, please go ahead and find the value of the coins on your screen and write the answer beside number 2 on your paper or your whiteboard. Remember, if you need more time, you can always press pause and then press play when you're ready to go. All right, our very last problem that we have today is number 3. Please go ahead and count the coins on your screen in front of you and write the answer or the value of the coins beside number 3 on your paper or whiteboard. All right, nice job. So we're going to continue using this cool little website I found. I will be sharing this in our class Facebook so that you can use it to check your answers, not to find your answers, just to check them. So this website is a way that you can actually, let me pull it up. Boop, 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 boop. It is a way that you can actually count coins. And I thought it was neat because it's not just like a calculator, it's like a very visual calculator that can kind of help you to visualize and to see the coins. So I have written beside me all of the coins that were on the assignment that we just did together, and I'm going to be adding those into the coin counter in front of you to check our answers. So for problem number 1, we had 1 dime, so I'm going to click 1 dime. And if you notice, it's kind of neat because at the bottom, it counts the value of the dimes in this column. And then on the side, it tells you the total of all the coins that we're counting. So far we have 1 dime and it's worth 10 cents. Now, we had 3 nickels in problem number 1. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to spread them out so you guys can see them. Sometimes they can get a little jumbled up. And if you notice that the 3 nickels are worth 15 cents together, the dime is still worth 10 cents. And so total, the amount of coins we have, the value of the coins is 25 cents. But we're not done. We have 2 pennies to add as well. 1, 2 pennies. So adding those 2 pennies ups our total to 27 cents, and that is your answer for number 1. Please check your answer and make sure you got it right. And if not, take a look at what we've got on the screen and count those coins up one more time to check yourself. All right, nicely done. Now we're gonna click our little piggy to empty our piggy bank, and we're gonna start over for number 2. For number 2, we had 4 dimes. That's a lot of dimes. So we're gonna click the dime 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna spread them out so we can see them nice and neatly. Sometimes they get a little jumbled up. And if you notice at the bottom, we have 40 cents worth of dimes here. That's a lot of cents. We're not done though. We need to add 3 nickels. So 1, 2, 3 nickels. I'm gonna spread them out so I can see them nice and neatly. I notice that my nickels are worth 15 cents. Adding that to my 40 cents that I already had, we have a total of 55 cents so far. But we still have 1 penny to add. So let's go ahead and add our penny. When we add that last penny, I notice that we have 56 total cents for number 2. Go ahead and check your answer for number 2. If you didn't get it right, check the screen and count the coins one more time to make sure you understand where you could have gone wrong. All right, nicely done. Let's empty our piggy bank and try number 3. Okay, for number 3, we had 1 dime, which is worth, you got it, 10 cents. All right, we had 2 nickels, 1, 2 nickels, and we had 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna spread our pennies out so we can see them a little bit better. Now, I notice I have 10 cents worth of dimes, 10 cents worth of nickels, and I know by skip counting, 10 plus 10 is 20. And then I have 4 pennies to add to that. So our total is 24 cents for number 3. Please go ahead and check your answer and make sure you understood the problem correctly. If you didn't get it right, check over these coins one more time and see where you could have gotten it wrong. All right, nicely done. Let's empty our piggy bank. And we're gonna go over to Seesaw and look over your assignment for today. All right, so the assignment for today is called Math 417 Coin Challenge. This is a bit of a challenge that you get to do at home, and it's very similar to what I did the other day with counting my coins in my home. You are first gonna watch the video on counting coins. After that, after watching this video that I have linked, you're going to find some coins at home to count. Please challenge yourself. Please do not find 3 pennies and say that you're done. I want you guys to gather up as many coins as you can find that your parents will let you and really challenge yourself with counting those coins in front of you. Set the coins down on a table, and I want you to take a picture with your device of the coins that you have in front of you. Then you're going to tell us the value of the coins that you have. You can either do that using the microphone, you can do that just typing the value in, however you would prefer, but just make sure to tell us the value as well. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. A quick little lesson today, but it's a nice way to practice counting coins. I want you to continue practicing at home as much as you can. Any chance you get, count those coins up because this is a very important life skill that we need to be experts on. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I miss you all so much and love you all so much, and I will see you bright and early on Monday morning. All right, see you, Mariners.